hasn't worked in probably 5 or 8 years.
Okay.
It did run.
It did run.
It did run. It would need some loving. It would need new fuel lines probably. This that's not really the engine. It's the little chainsaw style engine down there, two-cycle. It was, you know, it was fine. Me and the neighborhood kids used to ride it up and down the street.
Right. And you just junking it?
I'm just junking it.
Ooh wee.
It did work, but it needs some loving. That was a power switch. The brake definitely still works because when I was moving it out here, I
Right.
yeah. Throttle, I think. Remember the throttle being a little bit touchy, but it could be fixed. It just needs some loving.
All right, I'm gonna probably take a picture of this real quick.
Go ahead.
That's why I'm trying to hurry up and get on it because they're gonna come by and grab it for sure.
Yeah.
All right, well, I just sent a picture to my buddy. I'm gonna see what he say.
Okay. If you want it, I'll set it up here and set it aside.
Yeah, I can't give you a yes on that right now.
Okay.
Appreciate it though.
Okay.
I just ran my motherfucking foot over.
Oh, that boy went and picked that mug up. I knew he was gonna want that motherfucker. Got him.
Right now, you just ran your foot over right now. Hey, la nena quiere algo, nada.
Got him.
You gonna put it together quick, ain't you? You gonna do it, huh? I think you can. Ooh, then you gonna
Got a little play with it.
know what that means, right? Bigger and longer willies, bro.
It's more like it's gonna be a little fun though.
I'm gonna get a different bike. Learn on game. I'm only fucking 5'7", nigga. This bike is bigger than. Look at this bike. Look, it's bigger than my waist, nigga.
Nah, you're gonna drop it. If you learn to practice on it, you're gonna drop it.
Yeah.
So it ain't. I wouldn't.
Smaller than that.
That's what I'm saying. But I'd rather get a smaller bike where I can fuck it up. Nigga.
I don't. Right,
I can learn
exactly.
my balance. I'm gonna get one of them small ones.
I ain't dropping my
I'm gonna
shit.
just learn how to balance it. I'm gonna learn how to balance it.
I know the 125.
Hmm?
125 to 250.
Because you say shh, and you say I don't care.
He's crazy.
Yeah, he's too crazy.
Crazy man.
But he helped you leave with your bike. But I'm started. I'm started. Daddy, someone's punching the door. Not me.
Give me some more. We want that motherfucker like right. Hold on, wait, let me see. Keep going. Keep going. Put it down. Put it. No. Put it back on there, but lay it down. Let me see how far it reaches. All right, right there. That should be. Pull it a little more. All right, right there. Boom.
You know what I'm saying? If you take this one link off, these three.
We're gonna need a delinker anyways. This ain't even gonna work, yeah.